Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting and healthy recipe. And today we will see how to make egg spinach roll-ups that's keto friendly as it's high in protein and low in carb, and therefore a perfect recipe to include in your weight loss or gym diet plan. So let's see how to make this healthy yet delicious egg spinach recipe. And here I've taken around 7 to 8 spinach leaves, and now I'm going to roughly chop them in this way. And for this recipe I'll be using 2 eggs, and we need to carefully separate the egg yolk from the egg whites and place them in 2 separate bowls. Alright, and now we will season the egg whites with a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. We'll whisk this once. And now into this we will add the chopped spinach. We'll stir them once along with the egg white mixture. Next I will add a splash of milk in the bowl containing the egg yolks, and we'll season them with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of red chili flakes. We'll whisk this well until all the ingredients are well combined. And this is also done. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will heat few drops of oil in a pan. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the pan is hot enough we will add the egg white and spinach mixture. We'll spread the mixture evenly on all the sides of the pan, and on low to medium flame we will let this cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the mixture solidifies. And now very gently we will roll it out, and we'll slide this to the side of the pan. And now time to pour the egg yolk mixture. See to it that it's evenly spread on all the sides of the pan. And on low to medium flame we will let this cook until the mixture solidifies. And by now the egg yolk mixture is also cooked. So now very gently we will roll it up along with the egg white and spinach. And our quick, easy, healthy and very delicious egg spinach roll-ups is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. For serving, I am going to slice them into medium portions like this, wherein you can see 2 different layers of the roll-ups. So friends, I hope you'll try this healthy and delicious keto-friendly egg spinach roll-ups that's high in protein and low in carb and great to include in your weight loss diet plan. And today I'm going to enjoy my egg spinach roll-ups with a homemade chili garlic oil. So friends, I hope you found this recipe interesting. If so, kindly share your feedbacks. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.